Hey everyone, it's me, and today's Friday. Happy Friday. I was getting ready for this video. I put my lip liner on. The first color I tried was Estee Lauder Nude, and it was dry and old. It wouldn't go on very well. And then I put on Lancome Bronzelle over it because I wanted something really neutral, something that would go with whatever I chose, because I got this week, and I feel like when I got this, it was I think it was the day that the hurricane came this week. Hold on just a second. So anyway, this week I got this, and you have probably seen, I think some other people got it too. They showed it on their Instagram, and I meant to, but it got crazy that night, as you can imagine. Look at these juicy tubes. Isn't this the coolest thing? Can you see all of that? And then this has all of the names, just like a CD or whatever. So thank you, Lancome, for sending these to me. And there are two of them that I already had. And so I'm going to take these out before they are used. And I am going to have a giveaway on my Instagram. I don't know, I've heard people say that we can't do giveaways on YouTube or something's funny about it, so I'm a little scared to do that. So over on my Instagram, look over there in the next week, and I'm going to put together a little giveaway. Okay, and so I was thinking, what color do we want to try today? I want to do, there were some in here that were just so dreamy. Melon Rewind. And that one is kind of like it doesn't have shimmer. I feel like I want to do a shimmer. There was one, there's some new ones, and then all the old. Okay, Magic Spell was one that I already had. So I'm going to take this out to put it in a giveaway. I know that. And then seems like, what was the other one? Let's put this one on just to see what it does. This one is Marshmallow Electro. And of course you can just squeeze these out on your lips, but they are sticky, but good sticky. You know what I mean? I have people ask about this mirror all the time. This is from Claire's years ago. I mean, I was doing YouTube, but it was when Brooke was in the Claire's age. So I guess that was probably, you know, what are they? 10, 11, 12, something like that. And oh my gosh, I don't know what was worse. Waiting for her to go through Claire's. I know what was worse. Hot Topic. Hot Topic was worse than Claire's. But anyway, and we bought this one time. We were in there. So this is very, very pretty. It doesn't go with my lip liner when I get up close because it's blue, like that cool bluish toned, and my lip liners are just so, they're pretty warm. So, and my ice maker just cut off. My cubed ice maker that I love so much. We had a big scare when the power went out. We lost power for about, I guess you would say 2 days, through the night, and then through the next night into the next afternoon. And when we turned everything back on, the ice maker was not working. And I just knew, like, lightning had gotten it or something had gotten it. And John took it, he got the manual, took it apart, cleaned it, and now it's working again. Because I am so spoiled that pellet ice. It's awesome. When we were showing the house just those few times, that's the first thing people would say when they went in the kitchen. They said we had Chick-fil-A ice. Let me put on something I know is going to work with this, but something that's still fun. Okay, Simmer. There's Simmer and then there's Hallucination that are two popular ones from long ago. And let's see. Okay, looks like Hallucination has a little bit more, it's a little bit more sandy brown, where Simmer is maybe a little pearlier and has a little bit more warmth. This, I think Jennifer Aniston made this one famous. This was supposed to be her favorite. So let's put this one on because I think everyone loves gin. This one even has a different smell. It's kind of fruity. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, definitely simmer. Simmer with Bronzell lip liner. Good combination. And the next thing I want to show you, I have not tried this yet, obviously, it's still got the wrapper on it, but I've told you guys about how my kitties, not Bubba, he's normal in that area, but Chanel started it first, and then Sassy did the same thing. They do not like to eat out of their cat food bowls. And so they run they stalk me. And as soon as they see me get up, especially when I'm upstairs, they'll sit there, and as soon as I get up to come downstairs, they run ahead of me and then run down the stairs, and then they sit right where their two bowls are. We have to keep the food on the stairs with a small little, something else we got at Amazon. It's like a really cool little, kind of like a baby gate, but it's a little bit shorter, so it's not as hard to jump over every time, so that Bridget can't get their food. I have to take food out of their bowl and put it on the floor. Sorry, I'm having a weird hair day, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. I bought, a lot of people said it was whisker, what is it called? Whisker stress or something. They don't want to bend their whiskers. So I bought a bowl for that. Still didn't make a difference. They still want me to get it out. It's real shallow. It's metal. You guys have probably seen it, and they still want me to. So I went on the hunt again, and this is that guy that has that cat show. It says Jackson Galaxy. I can't remember what his show is, but I bought this dish that goes like this because it's no whisker. It says curved bowl reduces whisker stress. Stainless material reduces chin acne. Really? And I also heard that they don't like the way plastic bowls absorb smell. They absorb odor, and then they get a weird odor, and cats don't like that. So we are going to try this one, and I will let you know how it goes. But so this is how it sits, like this. Isn't that cool? Brooke got this for me the other day. She said it reminded her of me. So it sits like that. And at least I was thinking, even if they don't eat out of it, if they get desperate, they will take their paws and like scoot it out, and I figured this would be easier. My hair. I have a video coming up, hopefully tomorrow or Sunday, a Walmart haul. It's a collaboration I did with Walmart, and I got the best hair product. When I used it that first night, the next morning I was just like loving it. My hair was so full and bouncy and had real curl. And I ended up getting poured down rain on. So yesterday when I did my video, you couldn't tell it. But anyway, so last night when I got out of the shower, I thought, ooh, the typical, if that much is so good, even more is going to be even better. And my scalp was so dark and oily feeling this morning. So I had to like put it up. And so that is my hair. And then so I'm just trying to, I don't ever know if I like those pieces down or if I like it better up. I have one of those hairlines that doesn't just go around, so I have to kind of work with it. So be on the lookout for that video, because there's that hair product that's really, really good, and then there's something else in there that's really, really good too. And it was the day we didn't have power, so I had to do it on location, because you guys know when I am feeling something, I have to do the video that day, and I was just loving my hair that day. So that is the deal with my hair. And I've shown you guys this before during, I think, the shutdown or whatever. We were talking about roots and stuff before anybody could get their hair done. But this is the one that I use now. It's the Color Wow, and the color I have is dark blonde. And like when you pull your hair up like this, you know how there's like those awkward, like right here, I probably should get those. There's awkward pieces of scalp. If you use something like this, it makes your whole, look better. I don't know if it isn't really dark. It doesn't really like fill it in completely, but it might take the, the pure starkness out of it. And if you ever think my scalp looks weird, like this looks kind of white compared to this, it's because I wear a visor to the beach. So a lot of times the rest of my scalp gets tan, but this part stays white because of my visor. But anyway, this is a really good product just for little times like that. I saw, oh gosh, I placed my order this morning for Nordstrom, and I will link my Nordstrom video down below. Things that I got, I probably took out, I would say almost, I don't know if I would say half, but I took out a lot of things because a lot of you gave me some good feedback, and then I added a few more things. But so hopefully I paid for the rush shipping, so hopefully I'll get that Monday and be able to show you. And where was I going with that? Oh, I know what it was. When I was on there, I noticed that these sunglasses are on sale. They are on the, sale for the anniversary sale. And I love these. I love these and the round ones. Both of them are cool. Like here's the hex, and then here are the round. It's a different look, but I like both of them. And I even have I think they might be right here because I was going through some of my sunglasses, taking some of them to the resale. I have these too. I got these because of that beautiful girl with the beautiful hair, Barbara. She was wearing these and I had to have them. And these are a little bigger and they're mirrored. Oh, these are so cool. I might have to wear these today, or I'll wear them soon. I love those. So look on the Nordstrom sale for those. And then they also had the Square Evolve Ray-Bans. And then the next thing I was just going to tell you today, I was just thinking to myself yesterday, I'm going to tell them about this because it may help someone not worry, or just, like I said, I'm going to start sharing my experiences with you. And this sounds weird, but it's hereditary. It is with me. I remember when I was little, my mom, I just have this memory of her, and it was in our old house where my brother was a baby. So I must have been, it was before 6. So I was little, and I remember my mom coming to tell me, I'm going, so-and-so's here, probably my grandma. I'm going to go to the doctor, to have one of those bumps removed from my head. And I remember being so scared, but so my mom has always had those too, like little cysts on your scalp. And I believe they're called, I don't know if it's pillar or pilar cysts, but they're just like, some of them will be more like, more round like that. Some of them will just be like that. But it happens when you get older, probably happened when I was in my 30s maybe. And so I had a big one right here. You guys might even remember last time I had it removed. I had a big one right there that has not come back. I had one right here that has kind of come back, but it's one of those that's just barely, it doesn't bother me. Well, I had one right here. I don't know, you could see the stitches coming out. That was weird. It was like a giant pea, like right on the curve of my head. And it doesn't, they don't hurt. I think it's like a hair follicle that gets like a buildup of keratin and stuff. But it's ugly, it bothers you. And with it being right here, it would get a little bit sore. Like if I wear my hair up, I was always worried it was going to show. They're just fleshy toned. I had that removed yesterday. And what they do is they deaden your scalp with just a shot, doesn't hurt, and then you would think that they would just slice it and just pop it right out, but it's kind of attached in there. So she said what it's like, she said, oh, thank you, I love taking these out. She said it's kind of like a hole punch, that they punch it and then they remove the skin and then they have to get in there and they get the whole thing out. And I said, what's it like? Is it just like, I knew it was hard and I knew it kind of moved around. So she let me see it and it just looked like it was not gross at all. It just looked like a little white piece of like gristle at the end of like a chicken wing or something. And so I got 2 stitches that have to come out in a week. And she said that I could either come back in or my mom could take them out. So I'm going to get my mom to take them out. So my head's a little sore today. And I was just thinking I wanted to tell you about that because I know there's some people out there that worry so much about things. Matter of fact, all the first ones I've had taken out, I've had them sent off to make sure they're not cancerous. And this time she asked me, and I said, you know, what do you think? She said, no, I wouldn't. She said, I'm not worried about it at all. And I said, no, I'm not either. So if you have something like that, go ahead and get it taken off. Don't let it bother you. And even though it hurts a little bit today, I just took an Aleve and it will probably knock it right out. So I had that done yesterday, and it was kind of exciting because it's something that had bugged me for a while, but I never really wanted to deal with. At my notes, it's PILAR, cyst. And I know something I wanted to tell you is Sheila messaged me yesterday, Sheila Fajl. She is making the mask chains. She's got several different styles, and she sent me some pictures. I'll put one in here just so you know what I'm talking about. But she was saying that she loved it because, you know, she's going in and out of stores, and that way she can put it on and she can take it off and don't have to, you know, look around in your purse. Not worried about dropping them and all that kind of good stuff. So I told her that I would put the link down below if any of you guys are interested in some of those mask chains. It's really kind of cool. Of course, she's got 2 on hers, and it looks really nice. So I will put that link down below. And then now I'm going to do a quick outfit of the day. It's a pair of jeans that I've never worn because I ordered them, and when they got here, I couldn't wear them. And they're Levi's, but they're some of that good old classic denim. I think they're like the cone denim, it might be called, and they're button up. So I'm wearing those today, and I went upstairs to figure out what shoes I wanted to wear with this outfit. And the first ones I chose were these, which are kind of Bottega-esque. They're the Schutz, and I have them in the nude too, and they're really cool shoes. And then I thought about my Bottegas, the little, you know, the wide squared ones. So I have one of each on, and I want you guys to tell me which ones you think I should wear today. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see which ones I choose. Okay, so here are the jeans, and I will put down below like what number or whatever they are. And let me get close so you can see. I love that they're this kind of off black color. And then I've got on one of my favorite bodysuits from Zara that Rosie Huntington Whiteley made so popular. And let you see, can you still see? I think you can still see the shoes, maybe even a little bit better. So here are the Bottega, and then here are the Schutz. Which ones? I think I like the Schutz. I think I do. They're equally comfortable. I've been just like literally walking around. The heel size must be the exact because I don't even feel weird. And then for accessories, I went with some classics. These have to be some of my favorite earrings of all times. They're the Dean Davidson Onyx. Oh gosh, I can't remember what they're called now, but he's got the mini ones and the big ones, and then my Onyx castle ring. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed my weight loss videos. I've got so much stuff to share with you. I'm so excited, and I've got a lot of other stuff. I feel like this freedom to talk about more things with you now. And so please subscribe if you haven't, and please share my videos with your friends, and I will see you right back here probably tomorrow or Sunday. Bye-bye.